Yesterday, the gold has risen in value after the yesterday analysis and has reached the target that I have mentioned on the 4-hour time frame. Yesterday, the price created its indecision candle with a larger wick on the upper side, small wick on the lower side, which means there was more buying pressure than it is selling pressure starting from the day by the end of the day, and the price, as we can see, reached very close to this daily resistance level 402.178. On the 4-hour time frame, yesterday the analysis I have mentioned, it was around this area when this bullish candle has been created. It was a bullish pin bar indicating further rise in value, and I have mentioned inside the yesterday analysis that I am expecting that on the 4-hour time frame that the price will rise in value, and the price has risen in value. We can see it has reached 4004 and it has reached 4014, which was also the target, and it reached the daily resistance level, a supply zone around 4021.78. Here the price has retraced back down, reaching the area of resistance and then again reaching the area of support 3979, and from here the price could not manage to go below this area of support. We can see that for 2 candles the price could not manage to make a bearish breakout. The price created this strong bullish candle, which is a bullish engulfing candle, engulfing the previous candle, indicating further rise in value. This is the 4-hour time frame. On the yesterday, if we take a look here, what has happened is in the morning, the price formed this bullish breakout, which was indication of the further rise in value. The price has risen, we can see that, reaching 399.19 and also making a bullish breakout, going above, reaching 4014 and even higher 4019. From here the price has found a strong selling pressure at supply zone, and also the buyers who have pushed the price from here to this area of resistance have exited their trades, which has also activated a sell-off where the price has returned back down. It was a strong bearish candle indicating further decline in value, and it has reached this 4-hour time frame at support level. The price was trying to move further down below this area of support, but unsuccessfully the price has returned back up, which means that the selling pressure is not so strong compared to the buying pressure right here. So we are here in the demand zone where the buyers are waiting, and they have created this strong bullish candle this morning, and it has continued to rise in value all the way to the next 1-hour time frame resistance level, which is 399.19. What we can expect today? Let's go from the daily time frame. The daily time frame shows us it was a bounce from this area of resistance, and we can see the price could not manage to continue to lose its value from the area where the price started yesterday, which means this is the strong demand zone where the buyers are pushing the price up. So as it looks right now, I'm not expecting the price will drop down further below this area of support. Currently, how the price is behaving is just showing a strong bullish candle movement. This is just currently the day has just started, so there is more likely that the price will try to reach again to this area of resistance. Like yesterday, the price has tried to make a bullish breakout, but unsuccessfully. On the 4-hour time frame, what I can see currently, here we have a bullish engulfing candle, which is indicating further rise in value, where the next target is around this area of resistance, which is again 4014. So this is the target for today, what I can see on the 4-hour time frame. I'm expecting that the price will try to reach this area of resistance. On the 1-hour time frame, how it looks right now, the price has started to move up, making a bullish breakout. We can see that here, but unsuccessfully. We can see that it was invalidated with the next bearish candle, where the price has continued to lose its value to the next area of small support. This is a small support where the price has bounced, and currently it has formed a bullish engulfing candle, but at the resistance level, so it is not so strong as it would be at the support level. So it is a small signal, bullish signal that the price will try to reach higher price levels, trying to make an again bullish breakout. Will that happen? It is something that we need to wait closely. But also this candle has closed very close to this area of resistance, which means there was no enough strength to push the price above this area of resistance. So even though if there is a bullish breakout, it will be right here at the resistance level. It will not be like in this example where the price has created a bullish breakout, where the breakout candle has started below this area of supply zone at resistance, and it has gone above this area of demand zone in this case. So we can see it should be like in this example a strong bullish candle that has body and also the wick in the middle around this area of this zone and in the middle of this area of this zone. So in this example, if there is a bullish breakout on the next candle, the candle body and the wick is not in the middle like in this example, but it is right here at the resistance. So it has a less strength and also less reliability, at least for me, that it will be a clear bullish breakout. But let's see how the price behaves. As it looks right now, we have one bullish strong candle, a second bullish strong candle, a third strong bullish candle, indicating further rise in value because it is strong bullish momentum right here. So also the 1 hour time frame is showing me that there is a potential that more bulls will try to push the price higher, where the next target will be 4014, which is right here. So this is the target for today. As it looks right now, based on the technical analysis, there is no clear signal that there is still a bearish sentiment active that could push the price below 3979.35. We can see that here it is a support level, and on the 4 hour time frame it is also this one a support level. So everything is still pointing a bullish, but it is only a short-term target during the day. After that, we will see, because today is a Friday, which means in the afternoon the price could move in any of the directions, because the traders will log their profits, which could also trigger some kind of a movement in the direction that is not predicted and also could not be predicted based on the technical analysis. So for now, I will share this information inside the premium analysis. I will also send them the target, when to enter, where is the exit. So feel free to check the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description, and join other traders. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.